Hello, lovely people. Each day, you and I are confronted by many decisions. These may be decisions about our business, decisions about our accommodation, decisions about our relationships, including our marriages. Some of these decisions are hard, but they also have legal consequences. How do we make those kind of decisions? And what are the legal effects of those decisions that we make when we are confronted with such situations? Maybe, for example, you found a room, or you were looking for a room and you found a room, a very nice room or apartment. You agreed with the landlord on a price. There was now time for you guys to put your hands on what you call the tenancy agreement. What should be the components of a tenancy agreement? What should be the responsibilities of the landlord? And also for you, the tenant, what should be your expected responsibilities? What decisions will you make relative to this? On the other hand, let's say that you are a business professional. You are into wholesale and retail of goods and items. A customer comes up to you and he's interested in doing business. You also want to do business with a customer, but he wants to take some of the items so that he pays back at a later date. That is a credit facility. What should be the nature of a credit facility agreement or document that is prepared for him? Or if you are the customer and you are taking a credit facility of goods and etc., what should be the nature of the agreement that you put your hand to, that you're going to take these items and pay back at a later date? Perhaps, finally, you may be a very young, attractive woman. For years, you've been looking for a suitor. You find this young, handsome gentleman who has promised you heaven and earth, and you guys are dating with hope to marry. Along the line, you have made lots of sacrifices, perhaps even warding off other suitors, in expectation that the marriage between you and your boyfriend is going to come off. He makes a turnaround at the last minute and goes after another woman. You've lost so much time, so much money, so much energy. What do you do? What decisions are you going to take relative to that? Or it may even be you, the man, found this woman. Perhaps she didn't have a job. You put a lot of investment in her. Perhaps you rented her an apartment, a room. You were paying for her fees, supporting her with her work and business or whatever, in expectation that when the two of you become husband and wife, the status for which you have contributed to will be of immense support to your marriage. She turns around and also goes after another man. What happens to all that time and money that you expended on this young lady? What is going to be the legal consequence of the decisions that you make? Ladies and gentlemen, every day we are confronted with some of these hard decisions. But it's also important that you and I understand the legal ramifications and effects of these. For everyday decisions of this sort, Supreme Law Publications brings to you Everyday Law. This and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Follow us on Instagram.